National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather starts to the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Minnesota beginning at 10:39 p.m. and ending at 11:39 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. No action is needed. This is only a test.
Shut up, no one likes you, Anti-Hero.
The civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 10:39 p.m. on June 7th, 2023, effective until 11:39 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. No action is needed. This is only a test.
Some amazing flavors. How easy that will be depends on the aisle that you get.
Doing it again.
The civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 10:42 p.m. on June 7th, 2023, effective until 11:42 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. No action is needed.